In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to work the C2F or cross to front abbreviation. So I've worked to the position of where I want to work my C2F, which is the next 2 stitches on my left hand needle. So to do this I pick up my cable needle and slip the first stitch purlwise onto my cable needle and just hold it at the front of the work. And making sure the yarn's at the back of the work, I'm going to actually knit the next stitch from my left hand needle and then knit the stitch from my cable needle. So I'll just show you that one more time. I'll just work to the position of my next C2F. Okay, so again, pick up my needle, cable needle, slip one purlwise from my left hand needle and leave it at the front of the work. Make sure my yarn's at the back of the work to knit the next stitch from my left hand needle, then knit the stitch from the cable needle. And I'll just work to the end of the row and then I can show you in close up what I've done. Okay, so I've crossed the 2 stitches, so thereby I'm starting to make this part of the twig, or whatever you want to call it, travel to the left.